Please be a little bit careful whenever you get a mail asking you to renew your domain name. Typically, these are going to be scams. And let me show you what the direct mails look like. Typically, it's coming from domain listings and looks very, very real, right? Send in a check for $228 for 1 year. Right? It's very real. Or to put your credit card information. And these are going to be totally scam. So how do you check if you do not know where you purchased your domain name from? Typically, you probably know since it's in your credit card statements. But if you don't know, a simple way to check is just go on whois.com. And once you got there is put in your domain name, click on whois, then right at the top it will tell you where you purchased your domain name from. So do be a little bit careful whenever you get a direct mail piece in the mail that looks like this. They're all going to be scams.